Stephen Sipes moved to the Okanagan from New York in the mid-'80s, bought a vineyard, and began making wine. Today, Summerhill is Canada's largest certified organic winery and doesn't use pesticides, herbicides, or chemical fertilizers. For his efforts, Mr. Sipes was named Kelowna's Sustainability Leader of the Year. Summerhill is also Canada's most visited winery, and thousands come every year to taste its award-winning wines. But before Mr. Sipes bought the vineyard, it was home to early settlers to the Okanagan, the Malum family. Their original home is still found on the property, furnished with antiques and historical artifacts to show how such settlers lived. As well, Mr. Sipes had a Syilx First Nations authentic kikuli built on the property. It is the traditional winter home for the original people of the Okanagan. Thus, Summerhill captures 3 eras of Canadian and Okanagan history on its lands: of the First Nations who lived here from time immemorial, of the European settlers who helped develop the Okanagan agriculturally, and finally of the enterprising immigrants who helped catapult the Okanagan into one of the finest wine industries in the world.